Hello everybody, I'm Enchanted Moon, and welcome to my channel. I'm doing a witchy unboxing for you today, but I'm doing a double. I got the Witch's Moon and the Witch's Bounty for May. I'm going to start off with this one. I believe this is the Witch's Roots. It is! Alright. So, the Witch's Roots for May already, guys. May. So, this is what it looks like when I open her up. And our theme is the Goddess Realm. The Goddess Realm. So we have my nose is very itchy from pollen or some kind of allergies going on. Goddess of Justice, Ma'at. And it's an affirmation card. We have a bookmark, I think, or sticker. Which is Moon. This is the back. I think it might be a bookmark. And then we have Midsummer Correspondences. Very pretty Book of Shadows. As always, these are just so gorgeous. And then Stevia is our herb. Again, beautiful Book of Shadows. Stevia. Stevia. My doggies are running around, probably being bad. Coconuts. So first we have this pretty colored pink bag. And in here we have, if I'm to guess, I'm going to say orange calcite, but I'm not 100% on this guy. And then, of course, we got our herb, Stevia. Big bag. This is what it looks like, a nice greenish color. Stevia. We have, oh, this is different. A ritual herbal tea bag. Camellia. So that's cool. We have our incense. Amber Electra is the incense. Amber Electra. We have our beeswax candle, which is going to be, let's see, what the colors will be. Ooh, like a pretty, I don't know if that's a purple or a pink color. It's like in between both. Very cool though. Yeah, I don't know, guys. That's a really pretty color. I'm going to say like a lilac, honestly. And our last item is a little bit of Goddess book. Now that's just cool. Something different. Cute book. I mean, it's pretty full. It's a pretty thick book. And this is the contents. And yeah, so it's a pretty nice size read. Within our practices and rituals, you will find the representation of the goddess pervade in many forms, shapes, and sizes. Even through the seasons, you will see the face of a new goddess appear, bringing with them a bounty of new offerings and knowledge. From the maiden to the wise woman, we call upon these archetypes to bring love, protection, happiness, wealth, intuition into our lives. We resonate with these very respective energies and work to foster the realm of magic with these ideas are saturated within. Within this very special collection, you will find an abundance of knowledge and inspiration to pull from as you continue to work on your divine feminine. Magical items in this box is as follows. Stevia is sweet leaf, also known as, it's been a go-to sweetener and alternative to sugar, and originally used for thousands of years by the indigenous peoples of Brazil and Paraguay. A wonderful lifter of spirits, stevia is a facilitator of any ritual or working focused on health and well-being. Then we have, of course, the artwork. Then Little Book of Goddess. What is that? Hardcover, of course. We are thrilled to include a small treasure into this month's collection. As stated within the introduction, this tiny tome, Divination Feminine, is symbolized by the great goddess. She knows all and sees all. She is the feminine incarnation of divinity, the divine feminine. Earth, stars, and sky, sun, and moon. You'll find information regarding a variety of goddesses that have held influences over the centuries, as well as detailed step-by-step descriptions on how to connect and work with these energies. So that's cool. Then we got the Witch's Spiral, bookmark. Yes. The Ritual Tea. It's black tea. It's a blend of taste, provides a tasteful boost. As you read through an included book, sip on a delicate tea while relaxing and focusing on your energies. Amber Electra incense were placed in this box to bring the energies of emotions of grounding and warmth to your sacred space. Our candle has been it's called Divine Nature Spell Candle, with the intention of enhancing your abilities to see beauty in all things. Then we have this here is personalized oracle reading is by Dream Goddess, Empowerment Deck by Kelly Sullivan. And then the crystal this month is peach calcite. Makes sense. The soft and calming stone has been included in this collection to bring emotional healing in and enhancing creativity. Peach calcite contains the ability to banish fear due to past traumas, opening your spirit to explore new experiences and ideas without feeling as if someone may be wrong, as you foster your embodiment to the divine goddess. And then I said the personal, and then the last thing is the Midsummer Correspondences, and these are all beautifully done by A.E. Alden. What do you think of May's Goddess Realm? I think, of course, it's awesome because something new in it. We got a nice new book. So now for the bounty. Bella, Luna. I hope they're behaving. It's hard, my grass is overgrown, so I can't even see them. The bounty for May. We got these nice and early this year, too, so. This, yeah, for May, I meant. So, we got this. And our theme is the Amber Temple is our theme for our bounty. And we have our beautiful, wow. I just read about this goddess, and I don't want to butcher her name. Amaterasu. Beautiful. Book of Shadows sheet. We have our tumble, which looks like amber because it's nice and light. Oh, absolutely. Piece of amber. We have our oil of the month. That's what we didn't get in the other box. We didn't get an oil this month. But that's all right. We got the great book. Amber Temple is our oil. We have our spell candle. And this is the color brown. The same color that was in the Witch's Moon. Brown. We have... I'm making a huge mess here. Stability incense sticks. And our cord is cream color this month. And then, of course, the main attraction. I'm always so excited. Ooh. Wow. We have an amber, and it looks like quartz. Beautiful piece. Look up at that. Quartz right there. And then the big amber on top spear. And on the bell, there's also, looks maybe like, could be amber up here too, or it could be citrine or smoky. So let's see what it says on here. It says sterling silver pendant, citrine on top. You got your quartz, and you have your Sumatra amber right there. So 3 different stones on this beautiful pendant to go with its cream necklace. As we call upon the warmth, glory, and undefeatable energy of the sun during this time, we find ourselves standing upon the doorstep of the Amber Temple. Within these energies, the amber light pours into our aura, as if the shine luminous rays into the darkest crevices of our souls. These gifts are from our ancient providers and connects us to the deepest and most rooted parts of our spirit. We have been planning this piece for almost a year and cannot wait for our subscribers to finally experience these beautiful and powerful stones. Join us in May as we celebrate the glory of light with the collection that is sure to be passed along for generations and generations to come. So the magical items are in the box as follows. Of course, it goes for the main feature, the Sumatra, amber, citrine, and quartz point, made with sterling silver. As one of our favorites and most collected stones or fossilized items, amber has been large inspiration for a number of projects we have worked on over the years. The specific type of amber was discovered in Sumatra, Southeast Asia, and is completely natural without treatment of any kind. It is commonly known for having spots or dark areas floating within it, dating back to 20 to 200 million years ago. Amber is fossilized resin and is found in a variety of beautiful colors and hues. Used for creating jewelry and ornaments almost 5,000 years ago, amber has found its way into stories of ancient Egypt and floats through the great mythologies and imagery of ancient Greece. It is said that upon the death of Heaton, his sisters wept uncontrollably, eventually turning into popular trees and producing tears made of amber. This wonderful ancient gemstone provides a sense of well-being and warmth to the carrier and is known as a humble companion silently grounding us. As this stone comes from the living form of trees, it carries with such deep significance and energy. In addition, amber carries the ability to shine light into any difficult situation. And it does go deeper into it. Then it goes into the amber anointing oil. They have created this oil with the intention of accompanying you during the times of darkness. The amber temple represents our connection with all that is good and all that is kind and all that brings warmth to our hearts. This blend was created with enhancing feelings of love and compassion for natural worlds. As you cultivate your energy each day, allow the anointing oil to be your companion or ethereal friend. It is enchanted with bergamot, amber, cedar, as well as willow, oak, and pine herbs, mixed with their witchery, from their cabinet of witchery, a special blend. Yeah, special blend from their cabinet of witchery into this oil, along with a quartz. The stability incense, obviously to bring you stability. Ancient whispering hand-rolled spell candle. We have hand-rolled this special candle to create space for you to sit and be silent and to be grounded and open your psychic heart and mind to messages that may be attempting to reach you. Very cool. And of course, our gorgeous artwork, as always, by A.E. Alden. And the tumbled Sumatra amber as well. And it goes over that, which is basically the same thing I said in the necklace. So that is May's box. Another beautiful pendant from the Witch's Bounty. And thank you guys for watching. I'll leave the description about these two boxes in below. And thank you guys for watching. Have a blessed day.